Welcome to a time of endless opportunities where there are no longer any limits to what we can achieve. Picture a world where creativity has no boundaries and businesses can reach greater heights with incredible speed and effectiveness. This is all made possible by cloud computing. And today, we're exploring important key points to understand how it's changing our digital world for the better. Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Farhad Ali Karami and I'll be your guide on this exciting adventure into the world of cloud computing. With my background in the IT industry, I've witnessed firsthand how cloud technologies are revolutionizing businesses across various sectors. Today, I'm thrilled to share some insight and perspectives on this transformative technology with you. In this video, we are going to explore the key points in the world of cloud computing that will help you gain a valuable understanding of it. We'll delve into how it derives innovation, supports emerging technologies, and meet the evolving needs of businesses in today's digital era. From understanding how to choose the right cloud solution to overcoming migration challenges, we'll cover everything you need to know. Okay, are you ready to reach new heights? Let's dive right in. Let's explore how cloud computing turbocharges business innovation and growth. My friends, cloud computing has transformed how businesses operate by providing a platform for experimentation and unlimited computing power whenever needed. No longer do companies have to invest heavily in infrastructure. Now they can simply access online services to fuel their creativity and expand their reach. This flexibility enables businesses to quickly refine their ideas, constantly improving and staying competitive. Take a glance at industry leaders like Netflix, Airbnb, and Slack. They showcase how cloud computing empowers businesses to manage large volume of data, scale seamlessly, and derive innovation without the headache of handling physical equipment. Now, you might ask, what are the key considerations for organizations when choosing between public, private, or hybrid cloud solutions? Okay. When organizations opt for cloud solutions, they face the decision of selecting between public, private, or hybrid clouds. Public clouds offer flexibility and cost savings, but concerns about security and compliance may arise. Private clouds provide greater control and security, but can entail significant upfront costs. Hybrid clouds, my friends, combine the advantages of both, offering flexibility along with control over sensitive data. Imagine a scenario where a healthcare organization needs to migrate its patient data to the cloud. Okay? While public clouds may offer cost saving and scalability, the organization must prioritize data security and compliance with regulations like HIPAA. On the other hand, a financial institution may opt for a private cloud to maintain a strict control over sensitive financial data. Important factors to consider include security, compliance, cost effectiveness, and performance, since every organization is unique. It's crucial to thoroughly assess requirements, engage all stakeholders, and plan for future growth. By carefully evaluating these aspects, organizations can determine the cloud solution that best fits their needs. You might be curious to know how cloud service providers prioritize security and privacy in today's digital era. In this age of digital transformation, cloud service providers prioritize safety and privacy above all else. They employ stringent measures to safeguard data and operations. Physical security features such as biometric scanners and access controls ensure only authorized personnel can enter their facilities. Moreover, they utilize advanced cybersecurity tools like firewalls and intrusion detection systems to fortify their networks against threats. Data encryption techniques are employed to protect information in transit and at rest, ensuring it remains inaccessible to unauthorized parties. Adhering to stringent privacy regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA, they maintain a strict protocol to safeguard sensitive data. To further ensure their security posture, they undergo rigorous audits and assessment by third-party firms. Customers benefit from these robust security measures, providing peace of mind that their data is secure in the cloud. Another invaluable aspect of cloud computing is its pivotal role in advancing cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning or ML, and the Internet of Things or IoT. Cloud computing seamlessly integrates with these emerging technologies, serving as their foundation for development and operation. Cloud platforms, my friends, provide the necessary infrastructure, flexibility, and computing power required to derive these innovations effectively. With AI and ML, organizations leverage the extensive computing capabilities and advanced tools available in the cloud to perform tasks such as image recognition and predictive analysis. Similarly, cloud computing empowers IoT devices by simplifying data collection, ensuring secure storage, and enabling insightful analysis, thereby safeguarding the confidentiality and integrity of data. Furthermore, cloud systems exhibit remarkable adaptability, allowing organizations to optimize resource allocation, select the most suitable tools, and maintain cost effectiveness as they progress. Real-world examples abound, such as Google Cloud Platform offering AI services like image and speech recognition through its API, Amazon Web Services or AWS providing IoT services for managing and analyzing data from IoT devices, and numerous other instances. These examples vividly demonstrate how harnessing cloud computing fuels the development of groundbreaking solutions in AI, ML, and IoT fields, driving advancements and unlocking unparalleled opportunities. Now, you might ask, are there other challenges and considerations for businesses transitioning to the cloud? And if the answer is yes, how can we overcome them? My friends, of course the answer is yes, but let's explore them and see what we can do to overcome these challenges briefly. Okay, well, mixing old and new. Connecting older computer systems with new cloud ones can be tricky and may cause issues with sharing information. Shifting data is tough. Moving lots of information from in-house systems to the cloud can take a long time and be complicated. Not knowing enough about the cloud. Some companies might not have the right skills to plan and manage moving to the cloud properly. Okay? Keeping things safe. Businesses need to make sure they're following rules about keeping data secure and private when they move it to the cloud. Stuck with one company. Picking a cloud company that fits with a business's long-term plans without getting locked into one can be hard. Okay, well, to get past these challenges, businesses can make a detailed plan for moving, starting by looking closely at what they already have. beginning with the small projects to learn how moving to the cloud works and gain confidence. Use special tools from cloud companies to make moving easier and less likely to go wrong. Move in stages to make sure everything keeps running smoothly and focus on the most important tasks first. Train and teach their IT teams and other workers about how the cloud works. Get everyone in the company involved so everyone's on the same page and working together. Businesses should also make sure to plan well, get everyone on board, and keep supporting and training workers as they make the switch to the cloud. By dealing with these problems and following the best ways of doing things, businesses can get the most out of moving to the cloud for their digital changes. Okay, well, in this video we have looked at how cloud computing affects businesses in today's digital world. Here are the main points we covered. Innovation and scalability. Cloud computing helps companies to be more flexible and grow faster by making it easier to try new technologies and adapt. Different types of cloud services. When selecting a cloud service, my friends, businesses must consider factors such as security, compliance, cost, and suitability for their needs. It's important to note that discussions about different types of cloud can encompass two distinct subjects: cloud deployment models, which include public, private, and hybrid clouds, and cloud service models, which consist of on-premise, IaaS, SaaS, and PaaS, which are not covered in this video, my friends. However, if you are interested in exploring the fascinating topic of cloud service models from our channel's perspective, please feel free to leave a comment. If there's significant demand, we'll create a separate video on this subject. Okay, very well. Let me continue to summarize. New tech. Cloud computing helps with new things like AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things by giving them the power and the space they need to work. Staying safe. Companies that provide cloud services make sure that data is safe from hackers and other problems, so businesses can trust them with their information. Challenges. Moving to the cloud can be hard because it means mixing old and new systems, shifting lots of data, and needing special skills. We shared some tips to help with these problems. Excellent! Now it's your turn to embark on this cloud adventure. Dive into the world of cloud computing, explore its benefits and different aspects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech talks, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. If delving into this topic sparked your curiosity, you won't want to miss the valuable insights waiting for you in our earlier videos. I'm Farhad Ali Karami, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.